Hey guys, I'm the Kentish Trainer Spotter and welcome to another episode of Trainers At, and my first one for 2026. And today we're at Ashford International for my start of year film on the Southeastern main line and the Ashford to Ramsgate line, the Marshalling line, the bloody high speed one line, as an array of lines. So today we'll be seeing services by Southeastern, Southern, Eurostar, and hopefully something a little special shall turn up later on if all goes to plan. So yeah, I'm going to start with film at Ashford. So yes, hopefully we should get some Eurostars bombing over the flyover. I'm going to spend an hour on this platform and then an hour on platform 1 and 2 just to make it equal. So we can spend an hour on this platform and then go and get the turbos on platform 1 and 2 and the Charing Cross services over there. But yeah, so an hour on this platform and an hour on that platform. And yes, kicking things off here at Ashford International with, I don't know if you can see it. There's a 20 there, I forgot the number of it, 21.8 something I think it is. That's been there for about a month now I think, well a good couple of weeks anyway. Yeah, I don't know what they're going to be doing to them, but they've been set there ages. I think there's 2 of them, I think there's another one over there as well. But yeah, it would be nice if they came out, but unfortunately not. But yeah, let's see what else I've done about Ashford International. And there is the 1540 Southeastern service. I don't know where she's from, but off to St Pancras. She's just got the green. And yeah, so yeah, see what else I've done up here at Ashford International. Right, coming out the Ashford down sidings now, catch me a bit off guard, it's 377516 and I think there's a southern unit on the rear, coming from Ashford down sidings to Folkestone East on ECS. I think it was 129 on the rear if I'm not mistaken. So she should run ECS all the way to... Oh no, hold on. Oh no it isn't. So there is an ECS due out now to Folkestone East, but this is actually the delayed London Victoria service. So I can actually explain why that's a 4-car. It's supposed to be 2377-5s. The other one had an issue. They had an issue attaching for some reason. So I just checked that now. So 1527, which was supposed to go out 20 minutes ago, hasn't gone out because of a attaching issue. So now they're running it as a 4-car. Or are they? Because there's 377s there, but what, he's going in the back, so that's I can't be running a 12-car surely. So there's an 8-car there, and now that's going down there. So that's the one that's supposed to do 1527 to Victoria, but couldn't because the other unit had a fault with the attachment. God knows what's going on there. Well, I'd have to keep you updated on that one, but it's supposed to be the 1527, so yeah, I'm not too sure. Right, here is the ECS from Ashford down sidings to Folkestone East. Got there eventually. 377515. Bring with her 377124. What are you doing? What's going on here now? 516's now buggering off somewhere else. So that's the one that had the attachment issue. That's supposed to do 1527 to Victoria. So now she's, I'm guessing, going into the I have no idea. I'm guessing she's going into Ashford East berthing sidings then. I was going to say, it's a bit weird that she's going in to where the 8-car is. I was like, I can't run a 12 to Victoria, surely not. So yeah, so I'm guessing the 1527 is cancelled then. So that had an attachment issue with the other unit, so well, there she goes. And now is the 1547 Southeastern service from London St Pancras International to Dover Priory. We're by a 6-car 395. So you should see the pantograph go down now. Pan down and then shoes down onto the 3rd rail, and now she's on 3rd rail. Oh, I shall get her departing in a second. Alright, departing out now is the slightly delayed 1547 Southeastern service from St Pancras International to Dover Priory. Departing about 3 minutes late.
whilst trains between St Pancras International through Folkestone to Ramsgate will only run as far as Folkestone. Trains between London, St Pancras...
Thank you very much, 395019. Is it Jessica Ennis? I think it was Jessica Ennis, I'm not too sure. Yeah, thank you very much for the depot, so there she goes. Okay, we've got two services turning up here. The first service to turn up is the 1557 Southeastern service from London Charing Cross to Ramsgate via Canterbury West, as we pan around behind me. We've got the 1600 Southeastern service from Dover Priory to London Charing Cross. I think I'll film this first. So I'm guessing that 375 behind me is going to attach them 375s in platform 1 to make a 12 car to Charing Cross. I think anyway. Yes, that 8 car on platform 1 is the units I got to Lenham earlier, which will be my next video. So it looks like I'm going to go to Charing Cross now. So I did Victoria to Ashford, now it looks like I'm going to go down to Charing Cross. Alright, pan around behind me here. This is... just gets a bit closer. A bit of graffiti at the front. Oh, it looks like it's coming up to a red signal. I think it's 375618, I believe. Indeed it is. Yeah, it looks like they're attaching to make a 12 car. Yeah, there's no chance we're going to get the unit, the Ramsgate service all the way down there. So they're attaching to the units that took me to Lenham earlier from Maidstone East. Alright, next clip should be the Ramsgate service departing, hopefully. Right, I've just checked on track C. I believe we're about to have a Eurostar bomb over the flyover from St Pancras to Paris. So yeah, that should be the next clip. I'm going to cut to when I can hear her. Right, here comes Eurostar. Oh, hello. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yes, please. And there goes 375703 off to Ramsgate. Not you again. Oh. Oh, so they've decided to make friends with you for train that you fell out with earlier, then I'll see how it is. Right, so this is the delayed 1527 Victoria service then, I'm assuming. So 507's on the rear. So I'm guessing this is another 377. So the other one had an attachment issue, I'm assuming. But this is supposed to do the 1527, so if it goes out now, it's probably going to be about 35 minutes late. I wasn't expecting 373s to be on that one, though. Wow. I thought it was going to be a 374. Tough with that. Right, there she goes. So I'm guessing that's going to be the delayed 1527 Victoria service. One just went out though, so I'm not too sure when that'll be departing, but yeah. Okay, pass for now, it's going to be another Eurostar going from Paris to St Pancras International. It's going to be a 374 as well. Giving it the beans. And away she goes. Numbers ain't happening. Right, coming in now is a 395 from Ashford Sidings. It's a former service in St Pancras International in a sec. Well, it's only a second, about 15 minutes I think. $395026, Mark Woods. So that's going to form the 1616 service to St Pancras International. As a 12 car, so I'm guessing one from Dover or Ramsgate or Margate will come in and attach to it in about a couple of minutes time. Oh, it says currently it's Sandling, so yeah, this other one's coming from Dover by the looks of it then. Oh, I've got a 377 that's just come out the sidings, but I'm not too sure what she's doing. I mean, I think she's going to hook up to that 377 that's just coming from Charing Cross, but yeah, I can't find anything on real-time trains on this. That's 377509, I saw her at Lenham earlier. Gave me a depot whistle. Going up to a red signal. Yeah, check real-time trains, I can't... Yeah, I'm not too sure on this one. Oh no, she's going to platform 1. Okay, not too sure then. Turn around behind me. Approaching it now is the train that's going to attach to the 395 that's just coming from the sidings. This one's from Dover Priory to St Pancras International. Oh, it's getting just that bit nippier as the night comes. My hands are turning blue. I feel we're going to get bowled as well by the Southern service, so hopefully not.
Please check before you travel at southeasternrailway.co.uk or X at SE_railway. Platform 5 for the 1616 Southeastern service.
395013.
Ebbsfleet International, Stratford platform.
Bit of a clean.
This train has 12 coaches. Platform 5 for the 1616 Southeastern service to London St Pancras International.
Yeah, looks like we're going to get bowled, unfortunately.
Platform 5 for the 1616 Southeastern service.
Don't know what a nameplate is, but pantograph just went up and we're about to have, annoyingly, the Southern service turning up. Probably just here through the window. Can hear her firing up. You can see the clag actually. There she is. There she goes, terminating in from Eastbourne. Alright, so 395016 is going to attach now and work the 1616 to London St Pancras. So the pantograph's just gone down again. I think I have to like redo it because they've just attached. So it should go up again. Voila. Oh, I should get a departing in a second. Yeah, I wasn't expecting this. This is working Ashford Sidings to St Pancras International, 395001, so Steve Redgrave. Yeah, that's working Ashford Sidings to London St Pancras International on ECS, so yeah. I think the service might go out first though. After a bit of a hold up, departing out now is the 1616 Southeastern High Speed Service from Ashford International and Dover Priory to St Pancras International. Departing now about 2 minutes late.
Platform 6C for the 1620 Southeastern service to Croydon via Canterbury West. This train will arrive here. Please travel with the other 6 coaches of the train for Canterbury West.
As approaching it now is the 1620 Southeastern High Speed Service from St Pancras International to Margate.
The rear 6 coaches of the train will detach and terminate.
Indeed it will, and it'll go into Ashford Sidings, most probably. This is 395004, and I'll get it going out in a second. So Chris Hoy. Okay, approaching now is the 1630 Southeastern service from Ramsgate to London Charing Cross. That's been worked by 375910. So that's working the 1630, that's going to attach to 375922, which is coming in as well from, I'm not too sure, I'm going to just double check where 922 is coming from. 922, I feel I might have to go over this side, so I think this 395 is about to depart. Just going to check where 922 is coming from. It says from Ramsgate, but I'm not too sure. Ashford East Junction. Oh, right, it's working, it's a weird one, this. It's working Ramsgate and Ramsgate to Charing Cross. So 922 is coming from Ramsgate via Dover, and 910 just came from Ramsgate via Canterbury West, so they're working a Ramsgate and Ramsgate to Charing Cross one. It's kind of weird, that one, but yeah. Right, this 395 should be off in a second. Okay, approaching now is 375922, working basically the same service, but just from Ramsgate via Dover, and it's going to attach to 375910 that's just come in. This is from Ramsgate via Dover, and 910 came from Ramsgate via Canterbury West. Not too sure what the hold up is for the Margate service. Should have gone out about 5 minutes ago. It's like 922 is coming in at a red. Just gone to a single yellow. Oh, hello. It's got another service that's dividing. Coming in here is 375615. Just going to double check. Oh, hello. God, bloody hell, it's all kicking off now. Got the Southern service time with the 1624 to Eastbourne. 171. I'm not too sure. 171807 there. And I think, yep, to find out now is the delayed 1620 Southeastern service from St Pancras to Margate.
46A, your 1639 St Pancras service for Ebbsfleet International and St Pancras. That's the train on platform 6A, your 1639 St Pancras service.
395004, there goes the coupler. Just had some guys laugh at me, like, as if I'm not allowed to have a hobby, you know what I mean? You always get some guys that just find it a bit weird, just like laughing at me, like, sorry I have a hobby, like, what do you do then? So that's the only thing about training sport, you just get some looks and get some people that just think it's funny. It's like, just never understand that really. But oh yeah, just checking what 615 is doing. This is a Ramsgate service, I know that. This is the 1630 from London Charing Cross to Ramsgate. That's the dividing. So this is off to Ramsgate via Canterbury West, I think. Where's 615 going? Okay, so on the rear is 375828. 615 is off to Ramsgate via Dover Priory, and 828 is off to Ramsgate via Canterbury West. Is it? No, 828 is actually off to Canterbury West. So this is Ramsgate and Canterbury West. So yeah, this 615 is off to Ramsgate via Dover, and 828 is off to Canterbury West. God, it's really confusing these times, but it's rush hour, so I get these weird services. There goes 374 to Paris Nord from London St Pancras. Got to be so quick on the ball here, they literally come out of nowhere. Right, next clip should be 615 departing. I'll find out now it's the 1630 Southeastern service from London Charing Cross to Ramsgate via Dover Priory. 375 615 takes the first portion of the service away. Guy gets in, lock goes off, ding dings to the driver, and away she goes.
Passenger information.
Shush.
Due to engineering works on the 31st of January and 1st of February between Faversham and Ramsgate, Accessible buses will replace trains between these stations. Trains between Victoria and Ramsgate via Clapham will only run as far as Faversham, whilst trains between St Pancras International through Faversham to Ramsgate will only run as far as Faversham. Trains between London St Pancras International and Margate via Canterbury
Safe to say that is solid.
will only run between
Right,
London St Pancras
8-3 should be next.
and Ramsgate.
Okay, approaching now is the 1639 Southeastern high-speed service from Margate to London St Pancras. It's going to attach to the unit that detached from the one that was going to Margate about 10-15 minutes ago.
Platform 6 for 1639 Southeastern service to London St Pancras International. For you at Ebbsfleet International, Stratford International and London St Pancras International. This train has 12 coaches.
Accessible facilities can be found in the rear coach of the train.
395010, nice rope from the driver, thank you very much. Had to nod. So I find it's kind of awkward to hold sometimes, I have to just nod instead of waving. And the only plate for this one is Duncan Goodhue. And there she is. We're heading off now, it's 375828 with the 1638 Southeastern service to Canterbury West. It's 395 is just attached to the one in front. There she goes, another nice ref from the driver, thank you very much. Okay, to find out now is the 1639 Southeastern service from Ashford International and Margate to London St Pancras. There she goes, not too sure what the front unit is though. Right, there's a 375 coming in here. I can't see this anywhere. All it says on Traxi is shunt. So I have bloody no idea what this is. 375 620 leads it. An 803 on the rear. Yeah, I have no idea what that is. Okay, approaching it now is the 1647 Southeastern service from St Pancras International to Dover Priory. Yeah, I can't find that 375 anywhere. It just says on a Traxi shunt. That's literally all it says. So I thought it'd probably go in as a service from the depot to make a 12-car service that's coming from Dover or Ramsgate, but I don't think it is. So it might actually just be shunting. So it's probably I'm going to assume it's going from Ashford down sidings to Ashford east sidings or something then. Yeah, so I have no idea what that is. Right, they're going off again. I think I've sussed it out though. Even though it's not real-time trains, it says shunt. I think they're going from Ashford down sidings into Ashford east sidings, just as a shunt move. Yeah, that's got to be, yeah, that's what they're doing. So they're going from the down sidings to the east sidings. Probably to form a peak time service tomorrow morning. Oh no, it's Saturday tomorrow, so no, probably a Saturday service tomorrow morning. Been quite good for my first ever rush hour film. Had a lot of ECS moves, thingy-bobs happening, loads going on. Right there they go, screeching into Ashford East berthing sidings. Christ. Right, 395's got the road, signal just ticking over there, so that'll be the next clip. Okay, to find out now is the 1647 Southeastern high speed service from St Pancras International to Dover Priory. (395,024) Johnny Peacock. And that's my time on platform 5 and 6 done. So I'm going to head over to 1 and 2 now for the next part of this train is at. Okay, I've just made it here in time to get this going out. So far now is the 1652 Southeastern service to London Victoria via Maidstone East. 377517 would be taking this one away. Oh, Jesus Christ, I'm out of breath.
Platform 2 for the 1700 Southeastern service to London Charing Cross via Tunbridge. For the Dublin, Kendal, Stevenhurst, Marble, Hereford, Tunbridge, Seven, London Bridge, London Waterloo, and London Charing and Station.
377504 brings up the rear. And welcome to platform 1 and 2. So yeah, going to be on this platform now for the rest of the film. We should have a service coming in the second of the Charing Cross. Yeah, let's kick things off on platform 1 and 2, and hopefully that special thing should turn up in about 40 minutes time. Okay, approaching it now is the 1700 Southeastern service from Faversham and Ramsgate, London Charing Cross. So this is 375627, that's come from Faversham. And then the other 375, which is 375927, is going to come from Ramsgate via Dover. So another attach here. So it should be the 627, I believe. Indeed it is. Oh, it should be in now for about 7 minutes. Well, you can hear it, I can't bloody... It's Eurostar, I think probably off to Paris, just missed it, but can't because bloody 627 is in a way. Just waiting for it to go out. But as we're speaking, there's 375927 coming in from Ramsgate via Dover, and they'll attach and then bugger off to London. Okay, approaching in over yonder is a couple of 375s, working the 1658 Southeastern service from London Charing Cross to Ramsgate. Where they go. I think the 627 is about to do the pull away test actually. So the driver just reset the cab there. So I'm going to assume she's going to pull off a little bit. Or not. Never mind, I think the pull away test already happened. But yep, doors open and I'll get her going out in a second. Right, coming in now, I believe it's the ECS from Tunbridge Jubilee sidings to Ashford Down sidings. I think it is. I can't... Or this could be the terminating service from Victoria. So they're both due at like the same time. No, it's the terminating one from Victoria with 377523. And 129 should be on the rear. go over this way. There goes a 395 off to St Pancras as an ECS. Working 5 Juliet something. And there's the back end of 129. So yeah, I'll get this 375 off in a second. That's literally just about to go out. And there's the signal for it. Okay, to find out now is the 1700 Southeastern service from Faversham and Ramsgate to London Charing Cross. Be led by 627 and 927 on the rear. Whenever you're ready. Away she goes. I'm going to go to the top end now and get the 171. We got to this end of the world, which is a bit. Oh, here it comes finally. The CCS is running about 10 minutes slow. I was wondering where it is. So it's running Ashford, Tunbridge Jubilee sidings to Ashford down sidings. So it's due like 10 minutes ago, but since Headcorn it didn't track. So I was like, where is it? But she is coming through. And that is 395. I think that's 019, that's working the 17. I'm not actually too sure, I think it's the 1716 to St Pancras. But yeah, got the CCS now coming through. Off to Ashford down sidings. Double checking behind me, still got a red signal I think. Alright, 375 614. Waiting for the road into the sidings. Oh hello, there's a dash 3 on the rear. 375 302. Quite cool to get a free car. Very clean. Now where she goes. I believe I'm just going to walk up here a little bit. There should be a terminating southern service any second now, so that'll be the next clip. Alright, come around the corner now is the terminating southern service from Red Hill. What? Really? Red Hill? Bloody hell. Crikey. You alright, mate? Eastbourne. Christ, where are you getting Red Hill from? I mean, they could come from Red Hill. If you want to look at it that way, it'll just take a lot longer. Why would you want to send a Red Hill to Ashford service via bloody Gatwick, Hayward Heath, Lewis, Eastbourne? Yeah, that's just ridiculous. Bloody Red Hill, where am I getting that from? God, I'm tired. Right, coming in here is 171 804. Smells nice. And behind over there is the 1716, I believe it is, Southeastern high-speed service from Dover Priory to St Pancras International. Been worked by 395019. away she goes. Okay, approaching it now is the 1720 Southeastern high speed service from St Pancras International to Margate. Oh god, numbers are 395029, I think. It's a bit more difficult to see the numbers now. It's going right to the end, so it looks like another one will come in and attach to it. Oh no, it's a 12 car already. Alright, that makes sense. And there is 395, I think that's 002. And there she is. Right, next trying to be the Southern service, which goes out in about 5 minutes. Almost catch me off guard is the 1730 Southeastern service from Ramsgate and Ramsgate to London Charing Cross. It'll also attach as well. This one's 827. I think this one's come via Canterbury West, and the other one's coming via Dover. So that's the one via Canterbury. Right, next train should be the Southern service. As there goes 395 off to St Pancras as an ECS. Lovely. Right, got two services happening here. The first one is going to be the Southern service, which is about to depart, working the 1724 to Eastbourne. And approaching in is going to be the other portion of the 1730 Southeastern service from Ramsgate. Let me talk, shush. From Ramsgate and Ramsgate to Charing Cross. So this one's come from via Dover Priory. So the Southern service is getting some more people on before it goes out. Right, I think the Southern service is about ready for the off. Right, 375825 is on the rear of the Charing Cross service. That 171 smells amazing, by the way. Right, there's the 1730 about to attach. Right, I'm going to go see if I can make the Victoria service depart now. Right, to find out here is the 1727 Southeastern service to London Victoria via Maidstone East. Been led by 377129 and 523 on the rear. I can't even film, bloody hell. And 825 is just attaching to 827 there. Try and get the attachment at the same time as well. Right, they've attached. Quick pull away test, and there they are. Right, something very special should be coming through in about 15 minutes, hopefully. Right, find out now is the 1730 Southeastern service from Ramsgate and Ramsgate to London Charing Cross. 375827 and 825.
Please check before you travel at southeasternrailway.co.uk or X at SE_railway.
Away she goes, and I think we should have a terminate in London Victoria any second now. Well, yeah, Hopefully they'll be next to the terminating Victoria service, I think. Right, here comes the terminating Southeastern service from London Victoria. This will be the train that'll take me to Lenham later on. It should be 375, 917 and 925. So I'm going to do the next portion of my Lenham film, which you'll see after this. So that will be the next video. So I'm doing it in like 2 separate kind of parts. And voila. Okay, our final train before the special thing comes through is going to be the 1740 Southeastern service from Margate to London St Pancras. Being led by 395 018, no 016 even. I can't say how much I've got a grin on my face right now for the train that's about to come through. Been waiting for this all day. Even before I came here, I've been waiting for this since I woke up. Right, where she goes, the next train should be something absolutely bloody mega. I love these locos. Right, as the 395 approaches, off to... Oh, looks like it's terminating here. Coming through now, folks, is going to be 6 Mike 95, which is going to be a pair of DRS class 68s going from Dungeness to Crewe. Oh, she's just got the green as well.
The train now approaching platform 2 does not stop here. Please stand right clear of the edge of platform 2.
Yes, please. 68009 Titan and 68034 Rail Riders. Oh, listen to it. Powering up. Oh, God, yes. All in one nuclear flask. Happy days. There you go, folks. So that is the final train of the video. So I waited up literally the whole film for that. So yeah, that's Ashford International for our rush hour film. It's really good, actually. Not too bad. Loads of interesting ECS moves. And yeah, the 68s to end things off. So yeah, not a bad film here at Ashford International. So I'm going to jump on these now to Lenham to finish off my Lenham videos. I'm doing it in 2 parts. So like, I went this earlier about 3 PM to film a few trains. So I'm going to go back and film the evening sesh and get the freight train. But yeah, that's me done here at Ashford International, folks, and I shall see you at Lenham in my next Train Is That video. So yeah, for me here at Ashford International, and with them 68s powering off to Crewe, I shall see you guys later. Take care, guys. See you at Lenham.